Hello students. The subject we look into is linear integrated circuits, clippers and clampers. So the topic we gonna study today is clippers and clampers. Generally, a clipper is also called an amplitude clipper. Generally, in any electronic circuits, clippers and clampers are used. So, a clipper may be used for converting um, or to clip off a certain portion of the input signal. So, a clamper may be an opposite to that of that. It adds to the signal level. So this circuit that means the clamper circuit adds a desired DC level to the input voltage. Okay, so this is the introduction about the clippers and clampers. Now let us look into this deeply. A clipper. Okay. In electronics, a clipper is a device designed to prevent the output of a circuit from exceeding a predetermined voltage level without distorting the remaining part of the applied waveform. A clippered circuit is also known as a wave shaping circuit. Wave shaping circuits are commonly used in digital computers and communication, such as TV and FM receiver. Wave shaping technique include clipping and clamping. In op-amp, clipper circuits, a rectifier diode may be used to clip off a certain portion of the input signal to obtain a desired output waveform. The diode works as an ideal diode means switch because when on, the voltage across the diode is divided by the open loop across the diode of the amp pump. When off, the diode is an open circuit. Okay, so in general, in short, we can call a clipper is also called an amplitude limiter. So a clipper is used to clip off a certain portion of the input signal to obtain a desired output waveform. So we have two types of clippers. One is the positive clipper and the other one is the negative clipper. Uh, so as I already told, a clipper clips off the certain portion of the input signal. So look at into this diagram. So here the signal a certain portion is cut off and we may have the obtained output as like the second waveform. So there are two types of clippers. One is the positive clipper and the other one is the negative clipper. Looking into the positive clipper, circuit that removes positive part of the input signal can be formed by using an op-amp with a rectifier diode. The clipping level is determined by the reference voltage V reference, which should be less than the input of the op-amp. The output voltage has the portions of the positive off cycles above V reference clipped off. Negative clippers. So the positive clipper is converted into a negative clipper by simply reversing the diode and changing the polarity of V reference voltage. The negative clipper clips off the negative part of the input signal below the reference voltage. So the diagram for positive clipper and the negative clipper is as follows. So it is the positive clipper where the positive off cycle portion of the waveform is cut off, and this is the negative clipper, and here the negative off cycle is cut off. So this is the major difference between the positive and the negative clipper. only by reversing the diode direction. Here look, the diode is in the reverse biased condition, and here the diode is in the forward biased condition. This is the only major difference between the positive and the negative clipper. Okay, so clipper finds several applications such as they are used in separation of synchronizing signals from the composite picture signals. The excessive noise spikes above a certain level can be limited or clipped in FM transistors using the series clippers. For the generation of new waveforms or shaping the existing waveform, clippers are used. The typical application of diode clipper is for the protection of transistor from transient, as freewheeling diode is connected in parallel across the inductive load. Frequently used off-wave in power supply kits is a typical example of a clipper. It clips either positive or negative off-wave of the input. Clippers can be used as voltage limiters and amplitude selectors. These are the several applications of the clippers. Now, clampers. A clamper is a network that shifts a waveform to a different level, and it does not change the appearance of the applied signal. Time constant is given by T is equal to RC. So, a clamper is also known as a DC inserter or a restorer. The circuit is used to add a desired DC level to the output voltage. A clamper circuit is therefore used to add fixed voltage level to the minimum or maximum value of an input signal. In other words, the output is clamped to a desired DC level. If the clamped DC level, so if the clamped DC level is positive, then it is a positive clamper, and if the clamped DC level is negative, then it is called a negative DC clamper. So these are the operation of a clamper. Look into this with the diagram. So these are the positive region and the negative region. During positive region, from time period 0 to t by 2, diode is in on state. Hence, the RC time period is small and the capacitor charges to voltage V. Also, the output voltage V0 is equal to 0 volt. It is in case of a ideal diode. From time period t by 2 to t, diode is in off state. Hence, both for the stored voltage across capacitor and applied current through cathode to anode. Hence, the voltage we obtain is minus 2V volt. So this is the operation. So working of a positive clamper. So for a positive clamper, the circuit clamps the peak of the input waveform, and therefore it is also called a peak clamper. So for positive V reference, the voltage at the output of op amp V is also positive, so that the diode D is forward biased. So during the negative off cycle, it conducts and acts as a short circuit, hence the output voltage is 0. And the charger and the capacitor is charged to the peak value and behave like a battery. During the positive off cycle, it does not conduct and acts as an open circuit, hence the output voltage is V0 is equal to 2Vm. So working of negative clamper, during the negative clamping, D is reverse biased. Negative V reference voltage, that is minus V reference, is used. During the positive off cycle, diode conducts and acts like a short circuit. Capacitor is charged to a peak value and behaves like a battery. while during the negative off cycle, diode is open and the output can be found by applying KVL. Hence, this is the output diagram of the positive clamper and the negative clamper. Here, applying V in the we get the output with the maximum voltage at the positive level. Here look, that is 2 V max. Here applying clamping, we get the maximum positive voltage at the negative level for the negative clamper. So this is the difference between the positive and the negative clamper. So applications of clamper, the clamper may be used to test equipments, radar systems, sonar systems, electronic countermeasure systems, using TV receivers as DC restorer. Thank you.